In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best kids bike on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best kids bike. Number 1, WinHope Kids Bike for ages 2 to 9 boys and girls, 12/14/16/18-inch beginner bicycle with training wheels, adjustable seat and handlebar, water bottle included, multiple colors, great for beginner riders, designed for boys and girls ages 2 to 9, helping kids learn balance, coordination, and confidence while riding. Multiple size options available in 12, 14, 16, and 18-inch wheels to provide the right fit for toddlers and growing children. Stable training wheels. Removable training wheels offer extra balance and support for beginners learning to ride safely. The adjustable comfort features an adjustable seat and handlebar so the bike grows with your child for a comfortable riding position. Water bottle included, comes with a matching water bottle and holder to keep kids hydrated during outdoor adventures. Durable and safe build, strong frame, anti-slip pedals, and chain guard help ensure safe and long-lasting use. The WinHope Kids Bike is a fun and reliable bicycle designed for children ages 2 to 9 years old who are learning to ride. Built with safety and comfort in mind, this beginner-friendly bike includes removable training wheels that provide stability while kids develop their balance and riding skills. Available in 4 wheel sizes, 12, 14, 16, and 18 inches, it's easy to find the perfect fit for your child. The adjustable seat and handlebar allow the bike to grow along with your child, ensuring a comfortable ride over time. Made with a durable frame, protective chain guard, and anti-slip pedals, this bike helps provide a safe and enjoyable riding experience. It also includes a convenient water bottle and holder, making it perfect for rides in the park, around the neighborhood, or outdoor family adventures. With bright colors and a kid-friendly design, the WinHope Kids Bike encourages active play while helping children build confidence and have fun riding. Number 2, ACEGER Kids Bike for ages 2 to 12 boys and girls, 12/14/16/18/20-inch children bicycle with training wheels, adjustable seat and handlebar, 20-inch bike with kickstand, multiple colors, designed for growing kids, ideal for boys and girls ages 2 to 12 years, perfect for toddlers and young riders learning to cycle. Multiple wheel sizes available in 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20-inch options to provide the perfect fit as kids grow. Training wheels for beginners. Smaller sizes include removable training wheels for extra stability and easy learning. 20-inch bike with kickstand. The 20-inch model includes a sturdy kickstand, perfect for older kids ready to ride without training wheels. Adjustable and comfortable. Adjustable seat and handlebar ensure a comfortable riding position and longer usability. Durable and safe design, built with a strong frame, anti-slip pedals, and chain guard for a safe and reliable ride. The ACEGER Kids Bike is designed to make learning to ride fun, safe, and exciting for children ages 2 to 12 years old. With multiple wheel sizes including 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 inches, this bicycle provides the perfect fit for toddlers and growing kids. Smaller sizes come with removable training wheels that help beginners maintain balance while learning to ride confidently. For older children, the 20-inch version features a convenient kickstand, making it easy to park the bike after riding. The bike also features an adjustable seat and handlebar, allowing parents to customize the height for a comfortable ride as children grow. Built with a durable frame, protective chain guard, and non-slip pedals, it provides safety and long-lasting performance. Available in multiple bright colors, the ACEGER Kids Bike encourages outdoor play, exercise, and adventure, making it a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or everyday fun. Number 3, JOYSTAR 12/14/16-inch kids cruiser bike for ages 2 to 7 boys and girls, children's bicycle with training wheels, coaster brake, adjustable seat, fenders, perfect for young riders, designed for boys and girls ages 2 to 7 years old, ideal for beginners learning to ride. Multiple size options available in 12, 14, and 16-inch wheels to provide the right fit for toddlers and young kids. Stable training wheels includes removable training wheels for extra balance and confidence while learning. Easy coaster brake system allows kids to stop safely by pedaling backward. Adjustable and comfortable. Adjustable seat height ensures a comfortable ride as your child grows. Stylish cruiser design features classic cruiser style with front and rear fenders to protect from dirt and splashes. The JOYSTAR Kids Cruiser Bike is designed to make riding fun and easy for children ages 2 to 7 years old. Available in 12, 14, and 16-inch wheel sizes, this bike is perfect for toddlers and young riders who are learning to ride for the first time. Equipped with removable training wheels, the bike provides excellent balance and stability for beginners. The coaster brake system allows kids to stop safely and easily by pedaling backward, making it simple for young riders to control their speed. For comfort and long-term use, the bike features an adjustable seat, allowing it to grow with your child. The stylish cruiser frame and durable fenders add both protection and a fun look kids love. Built with safety, durability, and comfort in mind, the JOYSTAR Kids Cruiser bike is perfect for neighborhood rides, park adventures, and everyday outdoor fun. Number 4. Montasen Kids Bike for 3 to 10 years old boys and girls, 12/14/16/18-inch toddler BMX style bicycle with training wheels, dual hand and coaster brake, adjustable seat and handlebars, designed for kids ages 3 to 10, perfect beginner bike for boys and girls learning to ride and build confidence. Multiple wheel sizes available in 12, 14, 16, and 18-inch options to suit toddlers and growing children. Stable training wheels. Removable training wheels provide extra balance and support for new riders. Dual brake system equipped with front handbrake and rear coaster brake for safe and reliable stopping control. Adjustable fit. Adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a comfortable riding position as your child grows. BMX style design. Sporty BMX inspired frame with durable construction for fun. Outdoor riding. The Montasen Kids Bike is designed to help children ages 3 to 10 years old enjoy a safe and exciting riding experience. With 12, 14, 16, and 18-inch wheel sizes, this bike provides the right fit for toddlers and young riders at different stages of growth. For beginners, the removable training wheels offer extra stability while kids learn balance and coordination. The bike features a dual braking system with a handbrake and coaster brake, giving young riders better control and safer. Number 5. Schwinn Koen Kids Bike or Balance Bike, 12/14/16/18-inch bicycle for ages 2 to 13 boys and girls, Smart Start ergonomic design, adjustable seat, training bike, multiple colors. Smart Start ergonomic design specially designed for kids with lighter frame, smaller grips, and kid-friendly geometry for easier riding. Bike or balance bike options available as a balance bike or pedal bike to help children learn balance and transition to pedaling. Multiple wheel sizes. Choose from 12, 14, 16, or 18-inch bikes, perfect for kids ages 2 to 13 years. Adjustable seat for growing kids. Height. Adjustable seat and handlebars. Grow with your child for long-term comfort. Training wheels for beginners. Select models include training wheels for extra stability while learning. Fun color choices available in black, blue, red, teal, pink, and purple to match every child's style. The Schwinn Koen Kids Bike is designed to help children ages 2 to 13 learn to ride comfortably and confidently. Built with Schwinn's Smart Start ergonomic design, this bike features a lighter frame, smaller grips, and kid-friendly proportions to make riding easier for young cyclists. Available in 12, 14, 16, and 18-inch wheel sizes, the bike offers the perfect fit for different ages and heights. Some models also come as a balance bike, helping younger children develop balance before transitioning to a pedal bicycle. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow the bike to grow with your child, providing a comfortable ride for years. Many models also include training wheels, giving beginners extra stability while learning. With bright color options and a durable design, the Schwinn Koen bikes are perfect for neighborhood rides, park adventures, and everyday outdoor